To share internet of Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you will have to start by opening settings and now navigate into connections. Then you will have to move into mobile hotspot and tethering. And right now tap on the switcher to turn it on. It will actually turn off Wi-Fi. So you will share your mobile data, and then when you click here you can also customize it. So below we can find name of your hotspot, password, AP band. You can switch this from 2.4 to 5. You can also find security. I will recommend you to switch into WPA3. And when you click right here, we can also find some other advanced settings. Like for example, you can turn off this when there's no devices connected, so it's not gonna drain your battery. You can additionally hide network name, or for example, you can support into Wi-Fi 6. Now you can also share your Wi-Fi connection in addition to mobile data if you want. And then you can click save in the right bottom corner. And as you can see, that's how it looks.